But if you guys want to learn how to make money with the #1 business in the world right now, I'm talking October 26th, 2020, going into 2021, I teach people how to become an online mentor. That's what I do. I mentor people online with their businesses to take their business and 10 times it, 20 times it, 50 times it, 100 times their income with the #1 system in the world I learned from the richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, who created, owns, and controls all the shares of stock, billions of dollars, with Amazon. And I copied his system. So keep watching. I will show you exactly how you can copy my system, which I copied from Jeff Bezos with Amazon, which is the #1 sales system in the world. Let's keep going. So listen, the concept is pretty simple because everybody keeps asking me, James, how do you make your money? You got to listen to me very carefully as I get prepared. Look, the streets are dead right now. Look, we got nobody down here. Nobody down here. We got Hurricane Zeta coming in off the beach here, but I'm still going. Because here's the thing, guys. It doesn't matter if you are in a... Hola! Here's my friend. It doesn't matter if you're... See, everybody's gone. Everybody's inside or they're off the beach. It doesn't matter if you're at home. It doesn't matter if you're at work. It doesn't matter where you are. When you run an online business, you can run it from anywhere in the world. So I want you to think about this right now. This is the #1 thing you need to set up for 2021 to make millions of dollars over the next couple of years. And you can retire or semi-retire. Literally, I'm talking literally in the next couple of years, guys. That's what's going on right now. And that's what all the multi-millionaires are doing online, which is exactly what I'm going to tell you to do right now. So watch. Don't go nowhere. Watch this right there. Okay, so I'm back. So listen. I can show you how to sell a product for $1 to 1,000 people. That means you will make $1,000. Got it? So if I can do that, I can show you how to sell that same $1 product to 10,000 people. Then you make $10,000. If I can do that, then I can show you how to sell that $1 product to 100,000 people. Then you make $100,000. Are you getting this? And last but not least, if I can do that, sell the product to 100 people, 1,000 people, 10, what if I show you how to expand and scale up your marketing so you get your $1 product in front of people all over the world and you sell it to 1 million people? You just became a millionaire, and we can do it in the next 60 to 90 days if you're serious. Yeah, so we got Hurricane Zeta hitting right now. I'm at the scuba shop right on the beach. You can see the whale shark behind me. Scuba diver. Everything's closed up right now. You can see the winds coming in. We got a big hurricane coming in. So while I'm sitting here waiting for this hurricane to come in, because everything's pretty much closed right now. Hola! Say hello. They're waiting for the hurricane too. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. We're getting a direct hit here, guys. Hurricane Zeta, I think it's a category 1. Not a big deal, but we're going to get a lot of wind. We're going to get some rain. We're definitely going to get some flooding. So that's what we're waiting for. But anyway, stay tuned because I'm about to show you exactly how I make my money 5 different ways every day. 5 different ways online automatically. And I want you to do the same thing. So keep watching. And at the end of this video, again, keep watching the whole video. I have a special bonus. I'm going to give you my #1 product I sell for $1. You can start selling it. And you can keep the money. You don't even have to give me any money. I'll just give you the product. People love it. They will pay you $1 for this product. And you can start this system, which is this. So here's the secret, guys. The only way you can get rich and wealthy, and I'm talking right now, October 2020 going into 2021, is to do 2 different things. You have to sell a very cheap product, like a product for $1 to 1 million people, and you're a millionaire. Or option number 2, you sell one product for $1 million to one person and you're a millionaire. Why do you think people in real estate make a lot of money? They're multi-millionaires because they sell very expensive products. So you can sell cheap products or expensive products. How about I show you how to do both right now? So I have a system. It's called an automated sales funnel system, where I sell one product for $1. Now hang in here. Here we go. So what I do is I post ads all over social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube is #1, right? And I tell people that I can show them how to make money online and offline selling products and services online, also selling real estate, which is the number one richest way to get rich in the world, right? If that makes sense, richest way to get rich. And anybody will tell you real estate is the number one way to go. So I have a little book that I want you to download, and it's called My Paradise Lifestyle. And I teach people how to do this system, which is sell the first product for $1 to 1,000 people a day. Let's just say a month. So let's start with 1 month. Let's keep it realistic so you're not you're not skeptical and you believe this is true. So we sell a $1 product to 1,000 people in 1 month. Then we're gonna do this. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the 1,000 people who purchased that product online, and you can actually buy it right now for $1. Click the link in the description below, or I'll just give it to you for free because I want to help you. And then what they do is I say, hey, I've got a better product. I send them an email, I send them a text message, I follow up with them. It's called an automated sales funnel follow-up system. And I say, if you like that product for $1, I have another product which shows you how to make more money online and offline, and it's $10. So let's say out of the 1,000 people that paid $1 and I made $1,000 in one day, 10% of the 1,000 people, which is 100 people, buy the second product for $10. What's $10 times 100 people? Another $1,000. So I just made $2,000 literally in 2 days. Got it? So here's what happens next. I follow up, I send them more emails, I send them more text messages, they keep watching my videos like you are watching right now. And I say, if you like the $1 product and you like the $10 product, I have a $100 product, which will show you how to make more money and change your lifestyle. And out of those 10% of the first 1,000, which is 100, 10% out of the 100 who paid $10, right? That's only 10 people. Buy the third product, which is only $100. And it's a video course that teaches them how to do exactly what I'm telling you how to do right now, which you should download. So click the link in the description below and make a comment and say, James, I want your products. Okay, so 10% of 100 people, there's only 10 people, right? Wait a minute, I think I fucked that up. Oh wait, yeah, no. So the first product for $1, 1,000 people bought. Then 100 people bought the second product for $10. And then the third product is $100. 10% of 100, which is 10 people, will buy that. So 10 people times $100 is $1,000. That's $3,000 I just made in 3 days. Are you keeping up? Okay, so now we're gonna take it one last step, watch. Out of the 10 people that buy the $100 product, and I made another $1,000, now only 10% of 100, 10% of 10, which is one person, purchases my next product, which is $1,000, and I make $1,000 from one person, which is, again, it's another training course, advanced, showing people how to do exactly what I'm teaching you how to do right now, sell products and services online, okay, which is training courses, teaching people how to do exactly what I'm showing you how to do right now. So one person pays $1,000, that's another $1,000 on the fourth day. I just made $4,000 in 4 days. When's the last time you made $4,000 in 4 days? If you've never made $4,000 in 4 days, why don't you comment below and say, James, I'm interested, I'm in. Sign me up, and I'll get you on a live call, and I will personally put you in business selling my products and make $4,000 in 4 days. How about we keep going and we make $1,000 a day? In 30 days, you make $30,000. You ready to get started? Comment below, smash the like button, click the notification bell, get all my videos, and subscribe to my channel. But comment below and say, James, I want $30,000 a month. I'll put you in business in 1 day.